Alright, rise and grind, good people, man. I'm back at y'all with another quick video with the Pull-Up King. This video, we got a 2009 Honda Accord V6, doing a power steering pump on it. I just did the valve cover gaskets. That's the pump right here, brand new. Part number. And our pump is located right here. Gotta take off the belt, get to the pump. This thing's been leaking pretty bad, so we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Steering is tight, power steering fluid level is low. We actually have some in here right now, but the steering is tight, and this should loosen it up here. Hopefully the rack and pinion isn't bad. Alright, in order to get that serpentine belt off, we got a 19 mil, this bolt right there. That's the bolt. Once I get that belt off, we can get it. Alright, got a wrench, ratchet, wrench, and the wrench is to get leverage. Let me show you how. Put it on there, and we pushing it towards the rear of the car. So going back, we're gonna put that on there, get it on there like that, and then push up just like that. Get that belt off. I want to go ahead and show y'all where the bolts are located. Alright, so we got one here, one at the top. Got our gaskets. So that's that one right there. And one at the bottom. See that back there. So I put a 12mm wrench on this bolt, this top bolt, because it's so close and the ratchet won't let me get in there. 12mm wrench, break that loose. Now I'm going to use a swivel with a short 12mm to get that up. Get that. That's that bolt. That's that bottom one with the socket on. Finished working the bottom one out. Alright, we got it out. That's the other bolt. Alright, we're going to take out these two 10 mils on the high pressure line. And we're going to disconnect this line here. We do have some fluid in there, so it will come out. Get a pan, catch that. Alright, unhook those. Now we can pull this pump out. Alright, look how messy it is. I'll clean that up some. Got our old one. Got our new one. And what we gotta do is remove the pulley and put it on that one. Alright, in order to get that pulley off, we got a 19mm bolt, and we're gonna pry this off now. Just tap this off, put it on the other one, just like that. Use a hammer and tap it off. Put the new one on there, and all we're gonna do is just put the bolt on and tighten it down. New one is. Just sprayed it down. Brake cleaner. We're gonna go ahead and install a new one. Get them in there finger tight. And we're gonna tighten it down. Alright, let me point this out. See how I'm in here? I got a 3/8 ratchet and a short extension on a short 12 mil. Now I don't even have it in there all the way. You see how it is, but it's enough to catch. All right, it's gonna stop, so you gotta switch it out. Take out that extension and go in straight with the ratchet. And that's in order to get it tight, all the way flush. We in there. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this gasket and install before we put that in there. All right, that's the gasket, old and new, brand new and on. Get that installed. Go ahead and hook up your hose. All right, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall that belt. All right, belt on. Top it off, fill it up, start it up. We're gonna have to pretty much get the fluid flowing. Jack up the car, and while the car is off, you want to turn the wheels from right to left numerous times. Get the air bubbles out the system, and when it starts to quiet down, the pump, when it's not whining, you're getting there, right? Also the steering shouldn't be hard. It'll start to smoothing out. Let's get it. Another thing, make sure you're using power steering fluid made for Honda. Say it. Can't just use any kind. All right, on to the bleeding procedure. This is how we get the air out the system. Get it up in the air, the two front tires. It's not touching the ground. Car's off. You want to get in it. Make sure it's topped off. Power steering fluid is topped off. And this is what you want to do. You just want to turn it left and right. Left and right. Hold it for a couple seconds. Left and right. We're gonna have to keep doing this until it's perfect. It's no noise, and we have smooth steering. That's gonna be it for this video. Got them good. Steering is smooth. Hey man, if you're liking the content, you know what to do. Give a video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Until next time, gang. Pull up, King.